Hi, today I'm for the POCO F5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we should first open the settings and then tap to the wallpaper section. Click here to agree. Now we just, as you can see, we just activated just the wallpaper application. So here you could use the online wallpapers, but be sure that you're connected to internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Or also you could use photo from the profile tab. From the wallpapers, here you will find all of the default photos. Also you could click here to this plus icon, tap to allow and to use photos from the Google Drive, from Google Photos, File Manager, from the gallery on your device if you get some photos previously taken on your device camera, or downloaded from the internet. So let's just select one from the default wallpapers. We could here tap to preview, tap to apply and click set as lock screen. So just click here. You could use the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to do that. So now we could see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully. Let's check and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just first pinch, then on the left down corner tap to wallpaper icon, and by the same way then select one from the available wallpapers. I just want to use one from the online wallpapers. Just first be sure that you're connected to the internet, and now let's just use for example this wallpaper. Tap to apply, set as lock screen. Remember about the wallpaper carousel. If you don't wanna just all of the time turn it on or turn it off, just tap to this checkbox to remember my choice, and for example tap to keep on or to turn off wallpaper mix also. And our lock screen wallpaper applied successfully, so let's check and we could see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.